Hello everyone, welcome to my channel that is Study with Praveen sir. This is my next video on the series of average. Today we will study on type 9 questions of average. Now question number 22. The average monthly salary of all workers in an industry is rupees 95. Average monthly salary of 15 officers is rupees 525 and average monthly salary of other workers is rupees 85. Find out total number of workers in the industry. Now first the general method. Let the total number of workers is x. So total salary, that is T, is equal to A into N. Here A is 95 and N is x. So 95 into x, that is equal to 95x. Now the number of officers is 15. So the number of other workers is equal to x minus 15. So total salary of other workers is, that is T equal to A into N. Here A is 85 and N is x minus 15. So it is 85 into x minus 15. So the total salary of officers is equal to T is equal to A into N, that is 525 into 15. Now listen, this is the total salary of officers and this is the total salary of other workers. Now this is the total salary of all workers. So after solving we will get x is equal to 660. Here that means the total workers is 660. Now the trick. We can solve these questions by alligation or mixture. Now here listen, this is the average salary of other workers, that is 85. This is the average salary of officers, that is 525, and this is the average salary of all workers, that is 95. So 525 minus 95, that is equal to 430, and 95 minus 85, that is equal to 10. So the ratio is 43:1. Listen here, 1 means x, 1x or x. Here this is 15. So if x is equal to 15, then the total workers, that is 43x plus x, that is equal to 44x. So 44x is equal to 44 into 15, that is equal to 660. Now the next question. Question number 23. The average of marks obtained by 120 candidates in a certain examination is 35. If the average marks of passed candidates is 39 and that of the failed candidates is 15, what is the number of candidates who passed the examination? Now first the general method. Let the number of passed candidates be x. So total marks of passed candidates, that is T is equal to A into N. Here A is 39 and N is x. So that is equal to 39x. And the total marks of failed candidates, that is T is equal to A into N. Here A is 15 and N is 120 minus x, that is equal to 15 into 120 minus x. Now the total marks of all candidates, that is T is equal to A into N, that is 35 into 120. Now listen, this is the total marks of passed candidates. This is the total marks of failed candidates. This is the total marks of all candidates. So passed candidates plus failed candidates, that is equal to all candidates. So after solving we will get x is equal to 100. So the number of passed candidates is 100. Now the trick. Listen, the average marks of passed candidates is 39, average marks of failed candidates is 15, and the average marks of all candidates is 35. So 35 minus 15, that is equal to 20, and 39 minus 35, that is equal to 4. So the ratio is 5:1. Now listen, the total candidates will be 5x plus x, that is equal to 6x. 6x is equal to 120. 120 is given that the total number of candidates. So after solving we will get x is equal to 20. So the past candidates is 5x. So 5 into 20, that is equal to 100. Now if you have any query or doubt, then write on comment section. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive updates on new videos. Thank you.